Database Management System MCQ, multiple choice questions. What is the full form of DBMS? Database Management System. What is a database? Organized collection of data or information that can be accessed, updated, and managed. What is DBMS? DBMS stores, modifies and retrieves data. Who created the first DBMS? Charles Bachman. Which type of data can be stored in the database? A. Image-oriented data. B. Text, files containing data. C. Data in the form of audio or video. In which of the following formats data is stored in the database management system? Table. Which of the following is not a type of database? Decentralized. Which of the following is not an example of DBMS? Google. Which of the following is not a feature of DBMS? Single user access only. Which of the following is a feature of the database? User interface provided. Which of the following is not a function of the database? Analyzing code. Which of the following is a function of the DBMS? A. Storing data. B. Providing multi-users access control. C. Data integrity. Which of the following is a component of the DBMS? A. Data. B. Data languages. C. Data manager. Which of the following is known as a set of entities of the same type that share same properties, or attributes? Entity set. What is information about data called? Metadata. What does an RDBMS consist of? Collection of tables. The values appearing in given attributes of any tuple in the referencing relation must likewise occur in specified attributes of at least one tuple in the referenced relation, according to integrity constraint. Referential. Underscore is a hardware component that is most important for the operation of a database management system. High-speed, large-capacity disk to store data. The DBMS acts as an interface between underscore and underscore of an enterprise-class system. Database application and the database. The ability to query data, as well as insert, delete, and alter tuples, is offered by underscore. DML, data manipulation language. Underscore is a set of one or more attributes taken collectively to uniquely identify a record. Superkey. Which command is used to remove a relation from an SQL? Drop table. Which of the following set should be associated with weak entity set for weak entity to be meaningful? Identifying set. Which of the following command is correct to delete the values in the relation teaches? Delete from teaches. Procedural language among the following is underscore. Relational algebra. Underscore operations do not preserve non-matched tuples. Inner join. Which forms have a relation that contains information about a single entity? 4NF. The top level of the hierarchy consists of underscore, each of which can contain underscore. Catalogs, schemas. Underscore indicates the maximum number of entities that can be involved in a relationship. Maximum cardinality. The user IDs can be added or removed using which of the following fixed roles? DB_accessadmin. Why the following statement is erroneous? Select department_name, ID, average, salary, from instructor group by department_name. Department_ID should not be used in group by clause. The traditional storage of data organized by the customer, stored in separate folders in filing cabinets, is an example of underscore type of database management system. Hierarchical database management system. After groups have been established, SQL applies predicates in the underscore clause, allowing aggregate functions to be used. Having. Which of the following is not the utility of DBMS? Process organization. What does a foreign key combined with a primary key create? Network model between the tables that connect them. Which of the following is correct according to the technology deployed by DBMS? Locks are used to maintain transactional integrity and consistency. Which of the following is correct regarding the file produced by a spreadsheet? Can be used as it is by the DBMS. What is the function of the following command? Delete from R where P, delete from R where P. Deletes particular tuple from relation. Underscore resembles create view. Create table as. The query specifying the SQL view is said to be updatable if it meets which of the following conditions. All of the mentioned. When the roll-up operator for expression or columns within a group by clause is used. Group expressions or columns specified in a group by clause in one direction, from right to left, for computing the subtotals. Which of the following is the best way to represent the attributes in a large DB? Concatenation. Which of the following is the subset of SQL commands used to manipulate Oracle structures, including tables? Data definition language. Which of the following functions construct histograms and use buckets for ranking? Until. Underscore command is used in SQL to issue multiple create table, create view, and grant statements in a single transaction. Create schema. Which of the following key is required to handle the data when the encryption is applied to the data so that the unauthorized user cannot access the data? Encryption key. Which of the following is known as the process of viewing crosstab with a fixed value of one attribute? Slicing. For designing a normal RDBMS, which of the following normal form is considered adequate? 3NF. Which of the following is popular for applications such as storage of log files in a database management system since it offers the best write performance? RAID Level 1. Which of the following represents a query in the tuple relational calculus? TP, T. The oldest DB model is underscore network. Evaluate the statements issued by the DBA in the given sequence if OE and Scott are the users and the orders table is owned by OE. Create role R1. Grant select, insert on OE. Orders to R1. Grant R1 to Scott. Grant select on OE. Orders to Scott. Revoke select on OE. Orders from Scott. Answer Scott would be able to query the OE. Orders table. Which of the following establishes a top-to-bottom relationship among the items? Hierarchical schema. A major goal of the DB system is to minimize the number of block transfers between the disk and memory. Which of the following helps in achieving this goal? Buffer. What happens if a piece of data is stored in two places in the DB? Storage space is wasted and changing the data in one spot will cause data inconsistency. The logical design, and the snapshot of the data at a given instant in time is known as schema and instance.